In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Vidiq. Vidiq is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you optimize your YouTube content, giving you detailed insights and actionable strategies to grow your channel. First, make sure you have Vidiq installed and open up YouTube. Right from the start, you'll notice the Vidiq scorecard on the right side as soon as you click on a video. This scorecard is a treasure trove of information and insights about the video you're viewing. As you delve deeper, pay special attention to the views and engagement section. Here, you can easily see the likes, comments, and even social statistics associated with the video. This kind of information is crucial because it allows you to gauge how viewers are interacting with the content, giving you a better understanding of what's working and what's not. Next, you'll see something called the SEO score. This handy metric evaluates how well your video's title, description, and tags are optimized. It's essential to keep these elements in check because a well-optimized video is more likely to be discovered by viewers. Speaking of tags, the tags section provides a comprehensive look at the keywords used in the video you're analyzing. This is a great avenue to discover which keywords are driving traffic. If you find relevant terms, don't hesitate to copy them for your own content to boost discoverability. Now, move over to the Keyword Inspector from the Vidiq menu. By searching for keywords here, you can uncover valuable data on search volume and the level of competition. This information assists you in finding popular and less competitive keywords, allowing you to strategically position your videos in search results. Another feature worth exploring is the Competitors tool. This allows you to track similar channels and videos, providing you with a competitive landscape of your niche. It's an excellent way to see what others in your area are doing and get inspiration on how to refine your strategies. Finally, with all these insights in hand, it's time to apply what you've learned. Update your video's title, description, and tags to ensure they're optimized based on the data you've gathered. And don't forget to refresh your thumbnail if needed. These changes can significantly enhance your video's chances of gaining more views. There you have it. A quick yet comprehensive guide to using Vidiq as a beginner. Remember, every bit of data and insight is a step towards growing your presence on YouTube and reaching a wider audience. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, and you're bound to see the results. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your YouTube channel.